Hey guys, so it is the technically Tuesday after Labor Day weekend. It's still Monday night in my opinion, but it is 5 a.m. on Tuesday. Just finished a project at the hall, switching out a bunch of fluorescent lights for LED. So our reception area is just going to look so much nicer now. It's part of an ongoing project. We're doing some carpet, tile, repairing some water leak damage from a recent pipe that popped. Moving the lights to LED just so it looks better because the old fluorescent lights are all going bad and the ballasts are going, and it's just going to use so much less power, so it'll be more efficient to run the hall. So finished that, shed the first blood of the season. The fixtures are sharp, be careful. It's kind of hard to use gloves while doing stuff like that because you got to be gentle with the glass lamps and all that, but well, stuff happens. So first blood has been shed. In good news, Fright Props, the big order we have coming from them, UPS found it. Apparently somewhere between here and I think Missouri. It got delayed by flooded areas, so the UPS train or truck or whatever just was stuck for a few days. That'll be here on Wednesday, so tomorrow. That's exciting. We're going to get to finally get the auto-firing cannon up and running, start working on the escape room components, and a spitter as well. We'll go through that, do some video. Hopefully this video sounds a little bit better. We finally have our GoPro Hero 6 rig all together. If you occasionally see a little fuzzy thing up top, that's the on-camera microphone. We'll do a video very shortly on the camera rig setup, but it's a Rode Video Mic Mini. Cute little mic. Looks great, and seems like the sound on it's pretty darn good for the price point. So that's about it for now. The holiday weekend was a little busy because, again, I'm an EMT and firefighter, so a lot of running around with that. And beyond that, that's about all to report for now.